G'day folks, it is the Aussie Don for Truckspotting here at St Mary's on this Saturday the 24th of May 2025. We're here today to do some truck spotting and we hope you enjoy the ride. Here we go. We've got the traditional loaner truck here. Good. Oh, check out the car on there. Got the FM12 just here. Very nice. Yeah, got this Mack truck parked up. Well, you know, we're all things trucks and all things trailers, folks, and I checked out this old trailer that's up in this scrap metal yard. Look at that one, and look at the banged up one on the bottom. Very nice. The old Tarmacs, we got that company on American Truck Simulator. Yeah, we got the truck reversing out. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, check out that one. Very good. Yeah, we got a trailer just here on its own. Drop deck trailer. Very good. Oh, here we go. Look at this weapon. There we go. That's the cover photo. Let's have a look. Nice, beautiful weapon, this one. Got the reefer on here, Maxi Cube. Maxi Cube B double. It is a classic. Very nice, very nice. Oh, here we go, folks. We've got a curtain sider here with a custom denning. I think I've done this company on American Truck Simulator. If not, I definitely know I got a reference for it. So I'll be able to do that one as well. As you know, I am a skinner of real companies and brands here in Australia for American Truck Simulator. And the Godfather's Freighter T-Line skin packs are available at modhub.us. Here we have a Mack Superliner Triumph. This is a tanker. This is nice. Check out that one. You betcha. Very nice. Here's a hauling access Mack Triumph Superliner. It's a 600 series. And it's another tanker. Very nice. Yeah, we got a Kenworth T909 tipper dog trailer. Very nice, very nice. A couple excavators in there, and I checked out this old Mercedes truck. Look at that. Volvo FH16 tipper. Looks like it could be a Zaizu. No, Volvo, another Volvo. Very similar shape in the cab. It's another tipper. We got this Fleet Mark cleanaway trailer that just seen parked up here. It's the main road heading up to Penrith. There it is, the Fleet Mark. Seen this Iveco. Come across this B-double scrap metal trailer. It is a maul, I do believe. That's what it says on the mud flaps, it says maul. And it is a maul. Toolbox. There it is, a maul. It is a McCube transporter, celebrating the 25 years badge on there. It's a local company here in St Mary's. Seen a McCube up at the M2 over the last week. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to get out truck spotting as much as I like to over the last week because of the very wet weather here in the east coast of Australia. Anyway, here today doing this for you guys. Got another McCube scrap metal trailer just here. And it is for the Sim Metals management as well. Very good. Yeah, we got another dog trailer. Fuso over the other side there. Don't think it's anything special. It is a Volvo FM. Got another one here. So there's the other one down there, so you know. This is another Volvo. Another FM. And the Mitsubishi Fuso and the Mercedes Benz and a UD over there in the yard. Very nice. This is a mob that sometimes gives me horn salutes. That guy that gave me the horn salute that works with this one just a moment ago. There's another one of their big trucks. We've got the Freightliner just here. This is the looks like it could be the Calero. No, it's the Sanitary. Little tiny one, nothing major. It's a little tipper. On its own this time though. No dolly on this one. Volvo and the UD parked up there, the FM. Northline trailer. We've come across another Volvo here parked up. 540. FH. We've got another Mack Superliner Triumph over there with the fuel tanker, or tanker I should say. Very nice. There's usually more of them parked up in there, but that's the only one in there today. Got another curtain sider just here. Not sure what type of truck it is. I think it might be a Mercedes. Yeah, it is a Mercedes. See if I can get in. It is a Mercedes. There we go.
Mercedes.
Here we go, we got the freighter T-liner on its own, and it is a company, well, a former company actually. It's when you got the scrapes like that on it, that means it's been it is a X, so it has been bought by another company. It was an alloyed, I know that. And then you got a Volvo FH. There's the lead trailer down there, so that's the tag, and then that's the truck, and you got the lead down there. Check out this old Kenworth. Wow, this is really cool. Damn, this thing has been through the wars, I tell you. This K100. Look at that. That's really cool. This thing has got some balls, I tell you that much, folks. Excuse the French, but it does. Trust me, this thing has got some cojones. Look at that weapon. Very nice. Well, this is a Volvo that I have captured on the roads before, and finally got it parked up. It's a FH16 once again. 600 series, this one's 600. And there's the Lex. Four bar on the back, very nice. We've got another Scania in there, lady in the middle. Very nice. Got another Mac up here in that tow truck place. And there's the XL Express trailer. Let's have a look at this one. Yes, I have done an XL Express skin on American Truck Simulator before. There's another tow truck. Mercedes. I got the Scania up in the yard here. Absolute beauty, the R620. Very nice. There it is on the side with the tanker. Very good. And there's a traditional T360 Kenworth. Very nice. Oh, look what I come across, folks. The Legend's Son on its own today. You know me, I've captured this thing a few times over. It's an absolute weapon. Very good. Down the back over there. Oh, here's the turbs on that. Well, it's been an absolute honour bringing you truck spotting here at St Mary's here on this Saturday the 24th of May 2025. That's all we've got time for. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out Don's Truckspotting Australia's Facebook page for exclusive photos and much more. And if you love your trucks, we do daily shorts here on our YouTube channel. And also we do full-length videos from time to time throughout each week here at Australia Worldwide Entertainment, your entertainment destination down under. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hooroo.